all. Unit 1 Geography part. The topic is exploring continents North America and South America. Yes, students, already we discussed about North America. So today we are going to see new topic is South America. South America is the fourth largest country in the world. Most of the South American continent lies within the southern hemisphere and hence called as the southern continent. The Isthmus of Panama in the northwest connects South America with North America. Do you know, together with the Central America, South America is known as Latin America. Location of South America. South America lies between 12 degree north and 55 degree south latitudes and 35 degree west and 81 degree west longitudes. The equator passes through the mouth of the Amazon River. The Tropic of Capricorn passes through the Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. South America is inverted triangular shaped landmasses. The area of the continent is 1,78,40,000 square kilometer, which occupies 20% of the world land area. Physiography. Do you know South America has marked resemblance in stature and relief of North America? The continent may be divided into following physiographic divisions. First one, Andes Mountains, Central Plains, third, Eastern Highlands. The Andes Mountains. The Andes are fold mountain like the Himalayas. This is the longest mountain range in the world and extend for more than 6,440 kilometers along the Pacific Ocean. The highest peak in the Andes is mountain located in Argentina border, which reaches at an elevation of 6,961 meters. In Chile, the mountains run very close to the coast. The slopes are steep on the western side and gentle on the eastern side, like Rockies in North America. The Andes being part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, these places are subject to great volcanic eruption and earthquake activities. Let's see the Central Plains area. Nearly half of the continent is covered by the plains area. Three great rivers drain into the Atlantic Ocean. The biggest of them is Amazon. The Amazon basin, consisting mainly to the alluvial deposits, is the thickly forested part of the world. It is widest near Andes and narrowest near the mouth of the Amazon River. Let's see the Eastern Highlands. These are considerably older than the Andes and are mainly plateau which is cut by many rivers. They lie to north and south of the Amazon River. The Koyanan Highland is located in the northern part of the continent, which has a number of waterfalls, including the Angel Falls. The Brazilian Highlands are found to the south of the Amazon basin. Let's see climate. The climate of the continent of South America has been closely influenced by the latitudes, altitudes, Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. It is hot in the Amazon River as the equator passes through it, whereas Quito, located almost and the same latitude on the Andes, has eternal spring. Most of South America regions have its summer from November to January, when it is quite hot in Brazil. Argentina has a relatively cooler climate because of its location in more southern latitudes. The rainfall distribution is mainly controlled by the physical features and the distance from the sea. Drainage. Amazon is the longest river of South America and is the largest river system in the world. This river have over 1,000 of tributaries. The rivers Rio Negro, Madeira and Tapajós are important tributaries. At the point where it enters the sea, the river is also wide and powerful that it flows even at a distance of 80 km into the high seas. Amazon is the greatest river of South America and the largest drainage system in the world. Natural vegetation. There are four main natural vegetation areas of South America and or the Amazon basin, the Eastern Highlands, the Gran Chaco and the slopes of the Andes. The selvas of the equatorial regions are called the lungs of the world. The Amazon rainforest are the largest of their kind in the world. The hardwood trees such as mahogany and ebony, which are very valuable. The other common spices are rosewood, cinchona and variety of alum trees. Cinchona tree is used for making quinine, the drug to cure malaria. The Amazon rainforests are gradually getting depleted. Various development activities such as construction of transportation lines, human settlement and agriculture have led to widespread deforestation. South America is blessed with a variety of wildlife. The dense forest, swamps and river of the Amazon basin are particularly rich in different species of animals, birds and reptiles. More than 1,500 types of birds are found in the continent. Cons, mako, hummingbirds, flamingos and different types of parrots are also found here. The forest is home to the variety of monkeys. The spider monkeys, howler monkeys, owl monkeys and squirrel monkeys are very gentle. The anaconda, which is one of the largest snakes in the world, is also found here. The rivers of South America have a rich variety of fish. The franca found in the Amazon is a ferrous flesh-eating fish. More than half of the people of South America live by farming. Agriculture. Subsistence farming is practiced in this continent. Most of areas are covered by forests like the Amazon. Only 3 countries have well-developed agriculture. For example, Argentina and Brazil. Argentina is one of the leading agricultural countries of South America. The agricultural activities are mainly concentrated in the wet pampas. The geoclimatic condition of pampas are ideal for agriculture. Wheat and corn are grown on extensive farms in this area. Cash crops like coffee, sugarcane, banana, cotton, barley, oats are also grown in this continent. Students, end of today's session. We have studied about South America, location, geographical condition, climate, wildlife, natural vegetation, drainage system and agriculture. Beginning to end, recall your own way. Let's see homework session. Today's homework, there are 2 questions. First one, given an account of the climate of North America. Second one, describe the heavy engineering industries in North America. You should read and write home test. Thank you everyone.